You say you want it, but deep down, you know you're holding back. You say you're all in, but you're not. Because if you were truly all in, you wouldn't need reminders. You wouldn't need motivation. You wouldn't need to be told to stay focused. You'd already be moving. You'd already be bleeding for it. The truth is, you're half committed. You've got one foot in the game and the other's still stuck in comfort. You keep wondering why things aren't happening for you, but you haven't truly decided yet. Let's be real. You're not tired. You're distracted. You're not stuck. You're unfocused. You're not unlucky. You're just not all in. And there are three main reasons why you can't fully commit, why you keep pulling back right before your breakthrough. Let's break them down. First, you keep feeding distractions. Endless scrolling. Mindless dopamine hits. Short videos, useless notifications, fake validation. You tell yourself you'll just check for a minute, and there goes an hour. Gone. Momentum killed. Focus shattered. You keep trying to go all in while keeping one hand on your phone, one eye on someone else's life, one foot out of the grind. How do you expect to build something great like that? You think a 15-minute burst of work makes you disciplined? No. You're not serious until you can sit in silence, undistracted, for hours, building. You can't go all in if every tiny impulse controls you. Your habits are the leash around your neck. You say you're hungry, but you're feeding yourself garbage, not just food, but information, energy, noise. And then you wonder why your fire dies so quickly. Eliminate distractions. Cut the rot. Starve your weakness and feed your focus. Because if you keep doing the same useless habits, you'll stay the same useless version of yourself. Second, you lack clarity. You say you want success. What does that even mean? You want freedom. But what does freedom look like to you? You can't hit a target you can't see. That's why you're scattered. If your goal isn't clear, your energy will scatter everywhere, and nothing grows that way. You'll start a little here, try a little there, and never go deep enough to see results. And when it doesn't work fast enough, you'll doubt yourself. Especially when people start talking. Bro, that's too risky. Be realistic. Maybe it's not for you. They'll say it out of love. But it's fear disguised as advice. And if you're not solid on your purpose, you'll believe them. You'll start to second guess. And before you know it, you're back at square one, comfortable, safe, mediocre. Clarity is power. When you know what you're chasing, nothing can shake you. You stop asking, what if I fail? You start saying, what if I don't? Write your mission down. Burn it into your mind. When it's clear, every step becomes simple, not easy, but simple. You won't waste energy chasing noise. You'll be locked in. Third, fear of failure. This one kills more dreams than anything else. You're scared to go all in because deep down, you don't want to find out that your best might not be enough. So you create an escape. You tell yourself, I haven't really tried yet. That way, if it doesn't work, you can blame your effort, not yourself. You quit before you can lose. You stop when it gets uncomfortable. You keep a backup plan, a safety net for your ego. But listen carefully. That backup plan is what's killing you. As long as you have one, you'll never give 100%. Burn it. Delete it. Let the bridge behind you collapse. Because when there's no way back, your only option is forward. And that's when your real power shows up. You think great men didn't fail? Thomas Edison failed thousands of times before creating the light bulb. Kobe Bryant missed over 14,000 shots in his career, but he never stopped shooting. Michael Jordan said it himself, I've failed over and over and over again in my life. And that is why I succeed. Failure isn't final. It's fuel. The pain of failure is what sharpens your edge, if you let it. So stop running from it. Walk straight into it. Because when you stop fearing failure, you become unstoppable. You can't go all in because you're scattered between comfort, confusion, and fear. That's the trap. And it's time to break it. Now here's how you fix it. 1. Cut the noise. Delete the apps that drain you. Stop scrolling. Block the distractions. Your attention is the most valuable thing you own. Stop giving it away for free. 2. Define your target. What do you want? Write it down. Be specific. Then break it down into daily non-negotiables. If your goal is to build a business, set one main task every day that pushes it forward. If it's your body, schedule your workouts and stick to them like your life depends on it. 3. Destroy your escape routes. Stop telling yourself maybe. Stop saying someday. If you're in, then be all in. Quit half-hearted effort. Quit half-believing. The moment you remove Plan B, your brain goes into war mode. 4. Embrace the pain. You'll get tired. You'll get lonely. You'll want to quit. That's when you lean in harder. That's when you remind yourself, this is where the weak stop and the relentless rise. 5. Build discipline through repetition. Discipline is built one rep at a time. Wake up early. Do your hardest task first. Eliminate one distraction every day. Repeat. Every day you do what you said you'd do, you build trust with yourself. And that's what confidence truly is, self-trust earned through action. Every time you delay, you lose momentum. Every excuse you make is another brick between you and your potential. You're not short on time, you're short on focus. The ones who go all in, they're not special. They're just done making excuses. The moment you decide you're done playing around, your life changes. Not tomorrow. Not next week. Now. Because right now, there's someone out there with half your talent and twice your work ethic, and they're winning. They're putting in reps while you scroll. They're staying focused while you procrastinate. They're becoming unstoppable because they're relentless. So ask yourself, when are you finally going to go all in? When are you going to stop playing both sides, half warrior, half coward? Decide. Today. This moment. Because if you don't go all in on your dreams, you'll end up going all in on your excuses. And you'll spend the rest of your life wondering what could have happened if only you tried. So stop overthinking. Stop hesitating. Do the damn work. If this message hit you, it's time to act. Drop this in the comments right now. I am all in. So I know you made it to the end, and you're ready to burn your excuses and trust the process.